Good day, everyone. This is a promotional video of my course, and I'm going to explain briefly about this course. Basically, in this course, you're going to be learning multiple skills, multiple ways, multiple strategies of how you can get high-paying clients for your service, independent of your niche. And I will show you how you can do this step by step. So if you are a kind of a person that you just want to play one video and you want to get everything, this course is not for you. But if you are ready to take your time to understand everything I'm going to be explaining in the course video, then this course is for you, and I believe you will be able to get good results if you implement this strategy properly. And a quick disclaimer, not everybody is going to make sales after watching this video. Some people will watch this video, learn from this, but unfortunately they won't implement. So implementation is one of the crucial things which I will encourage you to do after purchasing this course. So if you purchase this course, make up your mind, you're going to set a calendar, you're going to set a schedule, play the videos, understand all the things I'm explaining, and make sure you implement them the same day, the same week, the same month. Implement them consistently and stay consistent. All right. These are all the things that will make you get results from all of this. If you're just watching this only and implementing it one time alone is not enough. You need to try multiple times because, for example, you are sending mails to buyers. You have to stay consistent on that. If they do not respond that first time, you have to try again. So a brief about all the other things I'll be teaching in this course is how to scout using social media platforms, Facebook, especially Meta, Facebook, and Instagram. How to utilize Apollo to handle email. Sorry about that. To handle emails and how to send out email marketing. Sorry, how to manage email marketing successfully. I'm going to be explaining that in this course as well. This is my Canva account. And I will also explain to you how you could get by high paying clients from Shopify, just from the Shopify app on itself alone. So the reason why I came to Shopify is to just show you that I have the Shopify already and how you're going to do it. You will see everything in the upcoming videos. And I'm also going to teach people that are based on promotional services. I'm going to teach them how to promote, how to get clients for Twitch, Discord, and other promotional platforms as well. Like how to get engagement and all by using like for like. I will also recommend other third-party applications or softwares or websites that you can get all these engagements from organically and paid as well. So, and I use Google Gemini, I use ChatGPT. These are the AI tools I'm going to use in this video. And the other analytical tools I'm going to be using is Merchant Genius. At the moment, it's currently not loading, but I will load it in a few seconds. I'm going to use eSpy as well, and I'm going to use Bootlead as well. Bootlead, then I'm going to also use PP Spy. All right. So I have shown you multiple platforms, and they all have their own specific usage. So for you to understand everything better, please proceed with purchase of this course. See you in the course videos. I hope you learned something valuable and I hope you make money. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Bye for now. See you soon.